Welcome to the math path. We need to do more measuring. More measuring. And so we will. Here, who wants to be the camera person? Okay. Can you see us? Whoa, you okay? Didn't know where I could find it. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do a different type of measuring now. But first, here, Zebedee. You want to? We did figure out a little better how to do this.
Winifred.
With a little more practice. Okay. Let's not. Hey, come here, Zebedee.
Stop! Winifred, you're in the video and you just.
We're gonna meh this stick. You know how to meh?
No.
No. Do you want to do it? Okay, he doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to do it. That's okay, but he's been doing it a little bit better. You have to put your two shoes stuck with glue, and then you put them over the thing. Look at this.
Which you want over?
And then you stretch it out until they're both at the ends. And then you say, "Oh look, this is how big it is.
Yeah,
This is how big that stick is.
From
Here to here. That's the big stick. Okay. So, but now we're gonna do a different one. Okay. Let's see. Do you want to? Hey, do you want to do this one? You haven't done one. So we did a whole bunch of measuring videos with oh no, you okay? With Winifred before, and so this is only fitting that we do one with you again. Okay, so here's the question. So if you want to measure, okay, how big is this cup? You can do it, right? Look. Measure how big across this cup is. What happened?
That's why. You see that? See that?
If you want to measure things that are smaller, then you okay?
And then I can measure this plate.
If you want to measure things that are smaller than the string, then you can do it. There's the plate. How big is the plate? Hold it up. Whoa, that's right.
But you don't have any numbers or inches on it.
You don't need any numbers or inches. What a great observation, okay? So what we're doing is we're measuring things with something that's the same, right? By shortening down the, using whatever segment, whatever part of the string is the same as what you're measuring. We're measuring the thing with some measurer that, guess what, is exactly the same. If you wanted to say this number, we're showing you the number 1 over and over. Every single measurement, 1, okay? 1 of whatever this is. And that's fine, and that's very useful. That works. You need numbers in the world? Well,
you need numbers for this measure.
Let's do it. Come here. You need numbers. You do not actually need numbers if the thing is smaller than that total length of the string. But you will need at least to be able to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
If you're going to measure something that is, guess what? Bigger. So what if we had, come over here, Annabelle, what if we're going to say, measure the length of this board, okay? It goes down here. We're going to pretend this is all one board. Okay, this line of boards to this, okay? The end of
This string isn't
where the deck ends right there, okay? So we're going to end that. So come here, Winifred. So how could you do it? The string isn't long enough.
Okay.
How could you do it? How could you measure that? Here, start over on this side. Start over on this side. Because we're going to measure it starting from that thing. Let's see how she does it. Let's see if she figures it out. Let's get this blanket, right? Okay, you know this, Annabelle? what is it?
I didn't count. And we don't know how
Sounded
long
like you
this...
were counting. You were saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well,
Do you
how
remember
long...
that?
Do you know how long this is?
Let's just do it in terms of that, okay? So how many strings long is that this line of boards?
I don't know, because it doesn't have numbers.
Because it doesn't have numbers. See, this is blowing Winifred's mind. Maybe it might be blowing your minds too.
But it doesn't blow my mind.
It doesn't blow Caleb's mind? Okay, why don't you explain it, Caleb? What's going on here? Here, come up so you... I don't know why you're so far away. Just come up
So that I could see both you and Winifred.
The long version or the short version? Let's do the short version. Well, I don't know. What should you do? Let's do the short version first
Stop it.
and see if it makes sense.
So, this is just another unit of measuring, just like inches are a unit of measuring. So it doesn't matter what how long it is. It just matters that this is
Itself.
itself.
It is itself.
It
Yeah.
is itself.
It's that string.
It's 7 of these long.
7 strings long. Right,
It
exactly.
doesn't even need to matter. Strings can be longer than that.
But
So
that
like one
specific string, we'd maybe name it the meh string. So it's 7 mehs long. I don't know if that
Just
will
like-
end up making sense, but I just thought of that. Anyway, we name it whatever we want. It's 7 times that you've done this, okay? Hey, can we not? Come on. We're trying to do a video. We don't want to get our hands in the front of it. So that's how to do it. The end. You can repeat over and over. Here, let me show you another time. Maybe a little bit more precise. You can go like this, and then if we went like that, whoops, but I have it marked on my fingers, so even if I lose my grip, I can go like that. So we talked a little bit about previously video. There's precision, there's accuracy. Those are actually 2 different concepts in measurement, but related. Anyway, you can do all these, and we're on 3, I think 4. You could go along and measure that. So that's how you can measure something that's bigger than the thing that you're using to measure. You just flip it over and over and over itself.
Let's show them the whole way.
This video is already too long. I
Yeah.
think they got the idea.
It said
Winifred
low
did it.
battery.
Okay, bye.